New Skims. Let's open up. I was hoping they'd go on sale after Valentine's Day because they're so cute, but they did not. Oh, they're ribbed. I didn't realize it was ribbed material. These are the heart pajamas. I'm in a size medium. It's soft. Super cute. And it's a button up. Love it. And then the pants. And they're sold as a set, so I'm 5'11", so usually they're long enough for me. They're soft, which just surprised me. So cute. 10 out of 10. Skims has me in an absolute chokehold right now, and I'm just obsessed. I can't get enough.